Hello and welcome to this series on blockchain for beginners. Blockchain is one of the most exciting technologies of the past decade and will continue to be an important technology for the decade to come. In this series, I'll cover a range of topics from blockchain history to how to be a blockchain developer and the different tools you can use to build and manage your own blockchain networks. This series is perfect for anyone who wants an overview about the most relevant blockchain principles. You don't need to come from any particular career or academic background or have any specific technical experience. If you have experience with using databases, some of these principles might come to you more quickly. Additionally, if you have a coding experience in a programming language like C++, Java, or Python, the code examples will be very straightforward. But no worries if you don't have that. This series will be a mix of theoretical and practical approaches. The theoretical approach will be where I introduce and discuss topics, and the practical approach will be where I explain and provide hands-on examples for you to do on your own. Then I'll cover some technical examples and show examples of code and tools and clearly talk through everything. Each video will cover one topic at a time in a nice and snackable format that will be less than 10 minutes. They will allow you to explore these topics at your own pace, one by one, or pick and choose the topics you want. My goal for this series is to provide a strong foundation for those not familiar with blockchain and share a range of information in order to spark your interest and decide what to explore further on your own. I hope that you walk away understanding exactly what blockchain technology is and how it works, how blockchain has been used, and have an idea of how you can trade cryptocurrencies and get started building your own blockchain networks. The video will provide some background and context in a clear way and allow you to go explore the topics of your choice more in depth. My name is Meaghan Lewis, and I'm a senior program manager at Microsoft. I focus on emerging technologies, and this is just one of the topics that I've spent time learning, diving into, and using. In my day-to-day, you can find me creating and delivering learning experiences for our worldwide Microsoft Reactor locations. I have worked professionally in tech for over a decade, and I've been producing learning content for about half that time. I have a passion for teaching, and I'm always keen to learn new and interesting things. I live in the San Francisco Bay Area with my husband and our 2 dogs. Now, let's explore blockchain one step at a time.